Okay, we are going to practice shutting down and turning back on the Flex 380 NAS device. So as you know, the Flex 380 NAS device is located here on this rack. Here are all the disk arrays that are associated with it. This is the main IP store server, controller card bank, and the rest of the disks are here. What will happen is a command will be issued via Linux to turn off all the services. Once that command is issued, a separate command will be issued to shut down the service, but it will not power it off. Once the shutdown command has been initiated, I will alert whoever is here that it will be okay to come in and turn this thing off first. So the IP store has to get turned off first by pressing this button right here. That's the power button. These lights will go off. So once this is off, you have to come around back and turn off the controller cards. Notice the power switches are here and here. So the top one's on the left, bottom one is on the right. Turn these two off. Then come back up and start from the top. Turn off all the arrays. Power switch here, power switch there. Same thing, left, right. Each array is the same. Come back here at the bottom and take care of these arrays over here behind these fiber cables. And don't forget, there are two more disk arrays that are located right here. These. Again, power switch up here, power switch here, power switch there. That comes off. So that's what will happen on Friday night. When Saturday comes around, it's 3 o'clock and it's time to turn everything back on, what you also have to remember is part of the sequence is that you have to come back here and remember that the old connected server, EASCB1, is somehow connected to that. When everything gets shut off, I'll shut this off remotely. This will be the last thing as part of that sequence of the NAS to get turned on. So it's 3 o'clock Saturday. You come back. First thing you're going to do, come to this rack. Everything will be off. You'll be turning on the disks one by one. All the disks will come on back on first. Same thing down here. All the disks have to come back on first. Don't forget these two. Turn these two back on as well. Then, after the disks are on, you have to wait about 5 minutes. Turn the controller cards on. After 5 minutes of waiting, after the disks have been initiated, come back here after 5 minutes and turn on the controller cards. Now with the controller cards, once they get turned on, you have to wait until they say 85, as it says right here. And as it says right here as well. The video may not show it that well, but it's an 85. Once these two go back to saying 85, what you need to do is come back over here and turn this guy on again. Again, the power button. Turn this on, the system will be back on. Make sure that all the lights are green. The indicators here that say OK will let you know that everything's OK. You have to check each array to make sure that it says OK. If there's amber lights, and there might be a problem with the disk, or the startup shutdown was not done properly, in which case you'll have to do it all over again. So make sure that you have OK lights across all. Then once that's done, you come back here and turn on the old connected server. Power this thing back on again, okay? And that's basically it. Any questions, just let me know.